What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today we are going to be unboxing the Losi King Sling LMT Mega Mud Truck. I've been wanting to get my hands on this truck for quite some time, just never pulled the trigger. First we'll go ahead and show you guys the front of the box, which you can see that truck just looks killer. It looks like they got all the details pretty spot on. Go ahead and show you the sides of the box. Now this truck is capable of running on 4S. Right here on the side of the box you can see where they had a little story on Dennis Anderson. He retired from driving Grave Digger and he couldn't just sit around, so he built King Sling. You see that truck is just, it's a monster, man. It's an awesome truck. Lots of horsepower. This truck's capable of 4S, so it should be able to get down, do some fun stuff. Well, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. Go ahead and cut the tape here. That is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Oh, still spike me there a little bit. That is pretty awesome, you guys. The tread is really deep and the tires are super soft. You see the solid axles there with the servo and the servo saver. Looks like a Spectrum servo. Wow. Nice frame. You can see the frame in there with the links. We're going to go ahead and move some of this stuff out of the way. Make sure I'm not too far out of frame for you guys. There we go. Put that down. Let's give a little look at the receiver here, or the controller, not the receiver, sorry about that. Just your typical Spectrum controller. Of course, it gives you some goodies, and also what's really nice, the batteries for the controller, the double A's. Wow, that is really nice. Now for one of my favorite parts. Let's go ahead and peel back this plastic. I don't know what it is, but everything that never gets old. Wow, that is really nice. The body's got so much detail to it. Got the solid axle out back. Open diffs. It's got some pretty nice little sway bars in here. Give you guys a little close-up view here. Wow, I'm really into mud trucks and monster trucks, so I have to say this truck is pretty awesome. You see the solid axle on the steering with the servo, and the servo, pretty good sized servo saver there. Long shocks. The tread on those tires are really deep. I like that a lot. They remind me of my J Concepts tires that I picked up for the TRX4. So you guys can see the frame. I do believe the frame's aluminum. It feels like it's aluminum. Down the detail on the body down the side. Go ahead and check on underneath for you guys. You see all the control arms and the drive shafts. The drive shafts are plastic, which is pretty common. The back axle and the sway bars back there, the long shocks. See how the spot where the blower, the intake air on the real King Sling. That is really nice. Now I do believe this body flips up just like the Son of the Digger that we unboxed. That one had a, it's usually tricky to find. Let's see if we can see where this clip is. Okay, so we got the clips here. Gonna be one on this side. There we go. Okay, so these ones, it doesn't have the little latch, it's just got the clips here, it looks like. Let's see if that's going to do it here. There we go. Now with the body up, everything looks pretty similar to the Son of the Digger monster truck that we just unboxed. You got your speed control here, you got the brushless motor down there, battery tray, and of course you got these headers coming out for a realistic look, which is pretty awesome. Got to give those, wow, a little more downward travel right there for the mud truck than we had on the monster truck. Yeah, those feel like aluminum. Those are nice thick frame rails. This truck is awesome. I definitely can't wait to get out and drive this thing. We'll have to get some mud. I don't know, it looks so good. I'm ashamed to say this, but I might just be afraid to get it muddy. Something I never thought I would say, and I definitely got to get over because I want to have some fun with this truck for sure. That thing is awesome. I had to do it, you guys. I had to put it next to the Son of the Digger. You got father and son. Show you the King Sling right next to Son of a Digger. Wow, both those trucks are just awesome. I have a feeling I'm going to end up with the Grave Digger monster truck as well, but we shall see. Those trucks are just two nice trucks. Can't wait to go out and do the first runs on them. If you guys are interested in either one of these trucks or the batteries that we're going to use to run on them, we're going to run them on 4S. I'll put those links down in the description below. And as always, if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.